Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I am reviewing Boat Bassheads 100C. So these are the headphones from Boat and these are Type C headphones. The reason for buying this was because my current phone does not have a headphone jack. So I wanted a Type C headphone and this was the top rated on Amazon. So the price of these headphones in INR is around 498 rupees. And we are going to unbox the headphones and see how they play, and we are going to see what's in the box, and we are going to understand how the sound quality is as well. So they come with built-in mic, there is a type C port, and there are two earpieces. So let's unbox them and understand the headphones further. So this is the box and there is a seal at the back, so you have to remove the seal and headphones can be removed. So in the box you receive a type C headphone like this. So you have a headphone with plastic pouch, then you have the earbuds if you want to adjust the earbuds, and then I think, yeah, there is a warranty card and a sticker as well. So we have a sticker of both the head. Now coming to the headphones part, let's try to open them. So you have a plastic seal, you need to open it, and once you open it you get the shiny new headphones. So as you can see we have a type C port. So let's remove the wire and see how they are. So you have a rubber band, which is good, so no jungle of wire. You can simply plug them back into the rubber band. So let me remove the rubber band as well, and as you can see the length is pretty good. You have a type C port, then you have the two earpieces, and you have a mic here. So at the back we have a mic, and at the front we have a volume slider with a media playback button as well for play pause. So that is the headphone, and now I'm going to review the sound quality by connecting it to my phone. So yeah, let's understand the sound quality as well. So I am now wearing the headphones. As you can see, the wire length is comfortable, there is a mic, and the sound quality is great. So the thing is, it is a bass head, so there is an extra bass, and for highs it is really nice. For lows it is also perfect, and in case of you are listening a normal voice, then this is great. Now this is a very economical headphone because it just costs 500 bucks with a type C port, and it was one of the cheapest headphones with type C that you can find. So overall these headphones are nice, and I currently have a Samsung N35, so I will be posting a few videos about the mobile phone as well. It doesn't have headphone jack, so that was the reason why I needed this with a type C. And overall the build wise it is good. Now there is no tangle free kind of a thing, so it might get tangled, but at 500 bucks I don't want to complain because tangle free were costing around 1200. So I can live with this. I will just purchase a headphone case and add them into a case, and I'll be done with it. That way they don't get tangled with other wires. Now another thing is, since it is type C, it can also be connected to laptops with type C board, and also to other devices like tablets which have a type C. And sound quality is great. I am not sure about the call quality yet because I haven't used it for calling in crowded places, but I will post a follow-up video like after a month or a week of a usage, and we will see how the baskets perform for sound quality outdoors. Overall the sound quality is great, and for 500 bucks it's a really great headphone, and you can opt for it if you have type C port. If you don't, if you have a headphone jack, then you can opt for other headphones like there is Realme Neo Buds 2. So I recently purchased that as well, and I will be posting a video about it. But for type C port these headphones are good, and it is a boat, so yeah, made in India, so that's a use plus. So if you want economical headphones which are really good price at a really good price point with a mic, that's one of the highlight, that it has a mic as well. So you can go for these headphones and you can listen to your songs pretty usefully. For casual use these headphones are great. I am not a audiophile or really like a deep kind of a listener for music, and generally I have a wireless for that. But for general purpose calling and other stuff, for connecting to my phone, these are great. I will see about how they perform on a laptop and then show a review in a week's time. But for unboxing and first on review, this was my honest review. If you found this video useful, then like the video, comment for your feedback, and subscribe to this channel for more such videos in future. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.